Hello everyone, myself Hemlata with the chapter number 3rd in class 3rd, Finding Direction in Social Science. Then guys, we will start the chapter to confirm the detail of about the directions. Direction means, as you students, as you know earlier, that how many type of direction? That means east, four type of direction. That means east, west, north, south. Okay, so we will discuss about in detail which instrument is used to find the direction, and about the maps, globe, atlas. So many parts related to the direction we will discuss in the chapter. So we start the chapter. Finding places. Chapter 3. We will focus on the main keys. Like, to find in the direction, we use a compass. As you see in the picture, north, south, east and west. Okay. Suppose you can take an example. The sun rises in the east. So we will discuss finding places in detail. When you travel from home to school, you go straight. जब हम जाते हैं स्कूल तो एकदम स्ट्रेट डायरेक्शन में हम चलते रहते हैं. You turn left and right many times according to our places. हम राइट में भी लेफ्ट होते हैं टर्न ऑफ, लेफ्ट में भी होते हैं टर्न ऑफ. तो पीपल कैन टेक डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन वाइल ट्रैवलिंग. जस्ट सपोज ईस्ट, उनको नॉर्थ में जाना है. ओके, देन साउथ, देन वेस्ट. दीज आर कॉल्ड कार्डिनल डायरेक्शन. कार्डिनल मीन्स मेन डायरेक्शन. ओके, in addition there are 4 intermediate direction. Intermediate direction, you can examine the picture also, that is compass is given for you, that mid direction of the cardinal direction. Okay, northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. So these lies focus on the 4 main direction. जो 2 मेन कार्डिनल डायरेक्शन के बीच से बनाई जाती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटरमीडिएट डायरेक्शन. देयर आर ऑल्सो 4 टाइप. ओके, विच इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज यूज फॉर टू फाइंडिंग द डायरेक्शन? दैट्स कंपास. A compass is an instrument used to finding the direction. Why compass is found and how it is made? That it has a needle. Needle means एक बहुत शार्प पॉइंटेड एजिस का एक टूल्स होता है जिसे हम सुई भी कह सकते हैं. ओके, दैट ऑलवेज पॉइंट टू द नॉर्थ. वो किस डायरेक्शन में होती है? उन डायरेक्ट स्ट्रेट. दैट मीन्स 90 डिग्री एंगल टू द नॉर्थ. If we know one direction, that we can easily find the other direction. Suppose if we are facing in the direction of the sun, that I mean to say rising of the sun. So sun is always rises in the east. Okay, so that we can say that our face is facing in the east direction. Whenever we facing in the east direction, that we have your back of the direction, that is called west. Because east direction, if we are facing our face, so then opposite side of that direction, that will be west. North at the left side, right and the south. Done. That next topic is sketches. Sketches, what do you mean sketch? Sketch means someone direction to place by drawing on a piece of paper. अब रफ स्केच अगर हम कहें कि किसी का भी एक रफ स्केच बना के दीजिए, तो आप लोग क्या करेंगे, एक रफ शीट लेंगे और उस पर कोई भी एक रफ स्केचेस तैयार कर देंगे. स्केचेस मीन्स रेखा, राइट, लाइन्स. तो स्केचेस मीन्स a sketch is a rough drawing that shows us the direction of a particular place. Particular place, if we on the map we suppose to locate Delhi, तो we have to mark and sketch with the Delhi. उसका एक रफ स्केच बना के हम रेडी करेंगे. नेक्स्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज मैप. Map are used to find direction of the places on the earth. They are drawing of various part of the earth, entire earth on the flat surface. People who make maps are called cartographer. First thing, we will discuss about cartographer. Cartographer means who make map, like who paint the picture, that is called painter. Like who make map, that is called cartographer. It is used by a flat surface, okay, and it is also used to find the direction, right. Next, maps cover a much larger area than a sketch. And next, what is the difference between map and sketch? Map पर आप देख सकते हैं, you can see in the picture a map of India, political map you can see. So then there are a lot of areas than a sketch. एक स्केच पे हम किसी पार्टिकुलर प्लेस का ही स्केच हम ड्रॉ कर पाएंगे, बट इन द मैप वी कैन फाइंड ऑल द मैक्सिमम large area of the state, capital, cities. Okay. Next, it would be very difficult to fit them to a sheet on paper. Suppose अगर हम sketch को ड्रॉ करना शुरू करें on the piece of paper, तो it is very difficult, क्योंकि हम इतना sketch उसमें नहीं बना पाएंगे. Okay. So maps are drawn on a scale to represent the real distance between places. अब you can see we in the map we have highlight the different color of different areas: green, orange, gray, brown, yellow. Okay, then it is very helpful to find your places. अगर आपको डेजर्ट का प्लेस चाहिए तो we can locate into the brown color. If you can the place of Netherlands, so that is called the green. Okay, so according to our choice we can represent our location with different color. Okay, take example, a map might have a scale where 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 10,000 kilometer. तो जो एक सेंटीमीटर है मैप पर वो कितने इक्वल्स है, 10,000 किलोमीटर ग्राउंड के बराबर है, मीन्स किलोमीटर स्पीड. ओके, एंड मैप इज़ वेरी इजी टू कैरी फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. हम मैप्स को क्या कर सकते हैं, हम फोल्ड कर सकते हैं, उसको किसी भी प्लेस तक हम कहीं पर भी लेके जा सकते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एटलस? एटलस मीन्स, cartographer means who make map. Atlas means जहाँ मैप हमें मिलते हैं, that is called a book. So that a book of map is called an atlas, right? An atlas has different type of maps. In your class, an atlas will be there with your book. So you can see in the atlas there are a lot of category of map which is related to our country and all over the world. Okay, so we will explain you about the type of maps in chapter 3 explanation part 2. We will meet again. I hope all topic will be clear and revise again this chapter. We will meet again with the new remaining part. Thank you.